Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Hope you all are enjoying the readings. So do let us know how you feel the readings are. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon to be updated as and when I bring the videos. So let's see who is the first ascended master who's going to come for the reading today. Saint Francis, follow your heart. I shall pick off one more and then we will get into the reading. Mother Mary, nurture yourself. So basically, it's everything related to you today. Usually, Saint Francis comes when you need to, just follow your heart. When we say follow your heart, it's like believing in your intuition and going by what you feel is right and not, thinking about others. So you need to just follow your intuition and you need to work on it. And when you follow your intuition and work on it, what happens in turn is you will manifest beautiful things in return, and you'll be happy that you were able to manifest what you wanted, and you were able to maybe enjoy the things which you have been deprived of. And Mother Mary, basically the mother of Lord Jesus, a caretaker. So when she's come in the reading, it can mean that honor your inner voice. Again, this and both the cards are almost the same, and help people, because she has always believed in helping others. She has always believed in taking care of others. But whenever she comes, sometimes I feel detoxification is needed. Mind has to become calmer, and you need to build some healthy relationships around you for you to be happy in life, because you've been moving around with people who are not right for you. So this card also comes as an indication for that. So maybe today burn a white candle and do a cord cutting from unwanted energies and unwanted people. And since it is Mother Mary and Saint Francis who has come today, I would suggest wear the color pink today, so that you can nurture yourself and you can, be happy throughout the day, and burn a white candle and do a cord cutting ritual. Have a blessed day. Thank you.